Yes, welcome. Good evening, everyone, to the channel for yet another video of Nifty and Banknifty trade entry and trading strategy for tomorrow, that is Monday. It's just an audio and visual check from my end. Yes, my voice is audible and my screen is visible to everyone. Make sure to just type yes in the chat box if my voice and screen is clear enough so that I can start the session. So here, first of all, as usual, first I have shared a trade entry for Friday's trading session one day before on Thursday. This is the video of it. Let's check what happened, whether we got any trade or what is the progress. Okay. So this was one Bank Nifty level which I have shared. This is on Fridays. Okay. This is for Friday's session. Okay. Level was very simple, 36,830 to 36,900 was the level which I have shared. Simple scenario, price rejecting or crossing and rejecting at this juncture. I was looking for very simple candlesticks, nothing rocket science, either bearish candle formation or a rejection candle formation. This was my simple expectation. My day entry was very simple, below this candle low short or below this candle low short. Okay. What happened? Whether we got any? Yes, we got here. This was the candle. Below this was my entry. My expected target was what? 150 to 180 points was the minimum expected target. So entry was somewhere around 36,720, but price came till only 36,630 here. Okay. Only 790 points we got down. So still the trade was on hold. Stop loss was here, somewhere here was the stop loss on last Friday's session. We were waiting, price gave a pullback, waiting and then the down move. What was the entry point? Somewhere around 36,720, 150 or 180 points. Forget about 150 or 180 points, price almost came till 36,500 levels. Okay, we have got more than 200 plus points in this trade. So this was one trade, straightforward trade which I have shared one day before as per the levels. Now moving back to what happened on Nifty. Same scenario, same thing which I have updated in terms of Nifty also. The levels was 17,420 to 17,460 was the level. Simple expectation, price rejecting or crossing and getting a rejection. This was my simple expectation. At this juncture, was the requirement? The requirement was very simple. Again, the same bearish candle formation or a rejection candle formation. This is the last Friday session I am speaking. After this, I will be explaining tomorrow's trading session level also. Below this was a short or below this candle. We got this candle here, but first need to check the range 17,480, 17,410. 70 points, it is valid. I was mentioning 75 or plus, avoid. What happened? Below this was a short, stop loss few points above this. Expectation was 68 to 70, 65 to 70 points was the expectation. Price almost shooted down like anything. Price shooted down 150 points. So aram se our target got triggered both in Nifty and Bank Nifty on Friday. Here this was a Nifty bullish trade formation, rejecting, price not even rejected, consolidated and came down. So this trade entry has not came into play. Out of three plans, three trade entry which I have shared on Thursday for Friday, we got two in Bank Nifty 150 to 180 points captured and in Nifty 65 to 70 points captured. Now coming to the tomorrow's trading session. Tomorrow I have three plans for Bank Nifty and one plan for Nifty. I believe everyone would have already subscribed the YouTube channel and turn on the bell icon. If you have not done it, make sure to do it. So it helps me to support, give a boost to do more and more videos without skipping even a single trading session. My plan and intention is to not to skip any of the day, share videos as maximum as possible to you traders. So now moving on to tomorrow's this one. What is tomorrow's level? Tomorrow's plan? Bank Nifty. Before going on to that, is there anything we can get it from a 30-minute time frame chart? That need to be checked. Okay, what was the week? Last week Monday was 29, Friday was 3rd. Okay, so 29 somewhere coming around here, because it's not like weekend, we have to discuss many things. 29 somewhere coming around here. This is 30-minute time frame. This was previous week low. Okay, previous week's low. Price was full week getting consolidated near the lower portion of previous week. Still the sellers are active to be participated in terms of Bank Nifty on a 30-minute time frame. Now coming back to the 5-minute time frame, note it down the levels if you are interested to note it down. On Bank Nifty, this is Bank Nifty future and this is Bank Nifty 5-minute time frame chart. Future levels 36,535 to 36,620. Let me repeat the level. 36,535 to 36,620 is the level on Bank Nifty future 5-minute time frame for tomorrow's trading session. Price getting a rejection or crossing and reversing back, getting a rejection. At this juncture, what is my requirement? My requirement is very simple: either a bearish candle like this or a bearish rejection candle like this. What I will be doing? Below this I'll be taking my short side trade, or below this candle I'll be entering my short side trade. The rule is same. The candle range should not be more than 170 points. If it is more than 170 points, I'll be avoiding, because SL will be bigger. Okay, SL will be bigger. So now, simple clean, what is the expected target? This is slightly, I'm keeping a smaller target here, that is 130 to 150 points in future will be my target. Where will I place stop loss? Not exactly above this candle line, 10 to 15 points buffer in the candle's eye. Okay, at last, before ending this video, I will be telling how to use future levels and to take trades, how I take trade in option buying. But by the end of the video, I will be explaining simple thing with the future level, how to use it to take trade in option buying. I will tell you a simple process of it. Just stay connected on throughout the video. Plan number one, entry number one is done. Second entry is a side counter side entry, a bullish based entry in Bank Nifty. That is, note down the levels. Bank Nifty future 36,055 to 35,970. So if price coming to this zone getting a rejection or going below it and getting a rejection, at this rejection juncture, I'll be looking for very simple things: a bullish candle formation either like this, or a bullish rejection formation candle like this. Above this candle I will be entering, or above this candle whatever forms, the candle range again should not be more than 170 points. If it is more than 170 points, I will be avoiding. Here stop loss few points below this, not exactly at the candle low, 15-20 points buffer. Similarly here 15-20 points buffer, before which I will be placing stop loss in Bank Nifty future. If I'm trading an option, 8 to 10 points buffer. Here expected targets, a slight smaller target, 130 to 150 points is the bare minimum target which I am expecting in if market give us an opportunity as per this trade approach. Okay. Now let's move on to the further this one. One more levels in Bank Nifty and one more levels in Nifty is there. Just a minute. Let's move on to the next. Bank Nifty, the third level is slightly higher levels. Bank Nifty future 36,006. Sorry for this. Higher levels on Bank Nifty future 36,680 to 36,770 levels. Okay, 36,680 to 36,770 levels. If price comes to this zone gets a rejection, or crossing the zone gets a rejection, at this rejection juncture, the candle type which I am expecting will be very simple: either a bearish candle formation like this, or a bearish rejection candle formation like this. Ramesh sir is messaging YouTube channel I have subscribed, sir. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. So I will be entering a short side trade below this or a put option trade as I mentioned. By the end of the video, I'll be explaining how I personally with the future level enter trades in option buying. Okay, stop loss few points above this, not exactly at the high, 15-20 points buffer. Similarly here, so this candle range again, it should not be more than 170 points. If it is more than 170 points, 5-minute candle range, I'll be avoiding. So here this is Bank Nifty future levels. This is Bank Nifty 5-minute time frame. Let me quickly summarize. Okay, this is yesterday's level where Friday's level where we made profit. So this is for tomorrow. Let me summarize quickly the Bank Nifty level, then I will be explaining on towards Nifty, then how to use this level in option buying. First level is 36,535 to 36,620 is the level. Bank Nifty future 5-minute time frame. 36,535 to 36,630 is the level. Level number 2, a contra trade, a bullish trade, that is 36,050 to 35,970. If you are late into the session, after completing the live, you can rewind the video and watch it again. If you have missed it, let's stay on the session, complete the session, and then you can rewind and watch. On Bank Nifty, third level is 36,685 to 36,770 is the levels on Bank Nifty. Now coming on towards Nifty, here Nifty I'm not more confident, a low confident scenario, which based on that I will be sharing my trades. Nifty 17,320 to 17,350 is the level. Again Nifty, it is a future level. Again it is 5-minute time frame only. Simple scenario, price getting a rejection, crossing and gets a rejection. At this rejection juncture, I'll be looking for a simple candle type, either a bearish candle formation like this or a bearish rejection candle formation like this. And this candle range should not be more than 75 points. If it is more than that, I will be avoid entering my trades. Expected target here, stop loss few points above this high or few points above this high, entry below this candle low or this candle low, whichever is forming. And simple funda, target here is expecting 65 to 70 points max. Make it 60 to 70 points is the minimum target which I'll be expecting if I am getting trades as per this trade level. Okay, now just give me a second. I'll be show a live example of the Friday's trade. Okay, those for option buyers I'm telling. Just give me a second. I'll be pausing my screen for next 10-15 seconds. Then I'll be showing a live example as we got Friday Bank Nifty target triggered. How to trade in same trade in terms of option also. Okay. As of now, I'll just pause my screen for a minute. Just stay connected on the session. Meanwhile, I need to open the option charts. That is the reason I'm just pausing my screen. Okay, just stay on the session. Just pause the screen to show you the option charts. So that it will be practically you will understanding how to use it in terms of option also. Okay, confusion should not be there. I believe my screen is visible to everyone now. Simple scenario. Let's look at this Friday. Okay, the level which was shared on Thursday, the Friday's trade entry where the expected target was 150 to 180 points. Now, what was the level? This is the zone which I marked. These are the levels. And price rejecting from the zone or crossing and rejection. At this juncture, what was my requirement? My requirement funda was very simple. Price rejecting with a bearish candle or a rejection candle. This candle range should not be more than 170 points. So now, this is the candle which has been formed here. Okay, let me showcase the same thing in the Zerodha platform, the chart which is in front of you. exactly this was the candle. This was Friday session. Exactly this was the candle where the formation was developed. What is the time of the candle? 9:50. Can you see this cursor which I am moving down? Okay, cursor which is moving down on Friday. 9:50 is the candle. So entry was where? Below this candle low 36,730. So let's take an example. As I trade in the money, 37,000 put option. Okay, this is weekly 37,000 put option. What is the time in future? 9:50 candle. Okay, 9:50 candle is the time. So this is the 9:50 candle. This is the 9:50 candle which has been formed here. Okay, so in future when I am entering a trade, what I have told, this was the candle where we got an entry. What I have told, don't place stop loss exactly at the high. Give a buffer of 15 to 20 points in future. If you are trading an option, minimum 8 to 10 points buffer I personally give. That buffer, why I am doing giving buffer in option? Because option buying problem is theta decay, option premium erosion. So this is 9:50 candle, 37 37,000 put option. This is 9:50 candle. Above this candle is buy. Not exactly this low is stop loss. We have to give 10 points buffer in the option, which I have already updated in the last video also. In option, entry is 624 is the entry. Stop loss is 515 is the stop loss, because we are giving 10 to 12 points buffer in this low. So what is the entry? 9:50 candle, 625 is the entry, 515 is the stop loss. Bigger the stop loss, bigger the target. Above this is a this one entry, few points below this 515 is our stop loss. Okay. When the bank nifty target got triggered here, this is how I check the time of the candle I'm entering. Somewhere here in this candle, somewhere around this candle. In future, this candle, we got our target got triggered. What level? 1240 is the time where we got a target trigger. This is the 1240 candle. This is the 1240 candle. So once a target trigger in future, what I will do, entry was somewhere here, target got triggered in this candle line. So this is how I check the time of the candle and enter the trade. Here look at closely. If I am placed the stop loss exactly below this candle low, on option the stop loss got triggered, but look at in future. Look at in future, this is the eye of the candle. Price came near, but it has not crossed. But in option, price crossed. That is the cross this low exactly. Just one tick price went below this low. That is the reason I am telling you. I give a buffer of 15 to 20 points for a buffer. Minimum 12 points in option. 10 to 12 points is bare minimum I give a buffer. Okay. This is how the future levels can be used. I personally used to do it on options. So meanwhile, if anyone have any questions, make sure to shoot your questions in the chat box. In the live chat box, I will try to address your queries. Naveen sir is asking, sir, 17,450 put trade you have shared on Friday, explain the logic. Sorry sir, I can't explain that logic, don't mistake me Naveen sir, because to be honest, that is one of my process which I have, by which I have got the trade. I can't explain here because this is a free session. Don't mistake me, Naveen sir. Anyone have any other questions? Shoot out your questions in the chat box. Very quickly, shoot out your questions in the chat box. I will try to address your queries. I believe everyone have already subscribed and turn on the bell icon. If you have not done it, make sure to do it. No one have any questions? So those who came late, joined late the session, after completing this live, you can rewind the session and again watch the levels, everything slowly, steadily, around say. Okay. Okay. Clear? I could see there is no questions to be addressed. So thank you so much for giving time in attending the session. I will end this session right. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay. Thank you so much for attending this session. I will end this session right now. Thank you.